Hello, this is Patrick McDowell from Rolls-Royce Motor Cars in Leeds. I'm going to give you a video walk around of a lovely Dawn we have here in a factory two-tone. The primary colour is a colour called Iguazu Blue and the secondary colour is Jubilee Silver. Now this is a very highly specified vehicle benefiting from a few of the packages available. Notably Ultimate Touring Package, exterior detailing package and an interior detailing package. I will go through what each one of those contains as we get to the individual items. Now you will see here that this car has a coach line in silver. You'll also notice the two-tone there. As we walk around the exterior of the vehicle, you'll notice some of the components of the exterior detailing package. The first one is that coach line which we just saw, and you'll also notice that the alloy wheels are body coloured wheel centres. Now if we go into the boot there, you'll notice that the divide is down because the roof is down. The lamb's wool foot mats are tucked away in there also. Now if we move to the alloy wheels, they are a 21-inch 14-spoke fully polished alloy wheel, and you can see the body coloured wheel centres there. Now if we head inside the vehicle, you'll notice the primary colour is a colour called Seashell with contrasting navy blue elements. This vehicle does come with the Rolls-Royce bespoke audio. The seats are ventilated, so you'll notice that the leather is perforated. We also have the Rolls-Royce monogram to all headrests. The monogram and the contrasting seat piping are both done in navy blue. Now this vehicle also does have the rear deck Canadell panelling. That's done in open pore teak, and that's a really nice touch. There is a two-tone steering wheel on the vehicle as well in navy blue and seashell. As you will see, the fascia is also in open pore teak. If we head back around to the driver's side, we'll hop in and pop the roof up. Now this vehicle comes with the best of the driver aids available, Driver Assistance Pack 3. Now that incorporates active cruise control along with night vision, lane departure detection, So if we hop back out of the vehicle now, we'll do another 360 walk around of the vehicle with the hood up. This is really a very pretty car in my opinion. thank you very much for watching. We'll be back with more videos soon. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.